Welcome back to PineGen AI. We've been listening to your feedback, and today we're thrilled to unveil powerful new capabilities that transform how you develop and understand PineScript strategies. If you've ever wished you could understand your generated code better or wanted a more focused AI assistant, these updates are built specifically for you. Previously, PineGen AI generated PineScript code instantly, but understanding complex strategies required manual code review. Not anymore. Now simply ask, "Explain this code," or "What does this strategy do?" And PineGen AI provides detailed, line-by-line explanations of your generated PineScript code. The AI intelligently references your last generated code, explaining entry conditions, exit logic, indicator calculations, and risk management, helping you understand exactly what your strategy does. Whether it's complex divergence detection or multi-timeframe analysis, PineGen AI breaks down every component in clear, understandable language. Learn while you build. Additionally, PineGen AI now stays focused on platform-specific queries. Ask about PineGen AI features, how to use the interface, or platform capabilities. You get expert answers instantly. Questions about how PineGen AI works, its features, or how to navigate the platform? Fully supported. Irrelevant questions outside PineGen AI and PineScript development get a friendly redirect, keeping your workspace focused and productive. PineGen AI continues to evolve, making PineScript development faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever. Experience the future of strategy building. Try PineGen AI today and transform your trading workflow. Subscribe for more updates on PineScript trading with AI and happy analyzing.